What's going on, guys? It's Caliber here, and I went yesterday was the Super Bowl, and bought a little, let's see here, air horn for the Super Bowl. And I just found out that Brandon is sleeping on the job. Anyway, he's just really lazy, and he's in there laying with the dogs. So, Brandon, prepare to meet air horn.
Stop! I'm trying to lay here. Stop, you ass fuck! I want to lay here with the dogs. Stop! Oh my god. I want to fucking lay here with the dogs, ass
Say hi. Come on, Brandon, be nice and say hi. I won't do it anymore, I promise.